You have to revise frequently. You have to revise from the beginning itself. Don't use multiple study materials. Only one study material. You have to give questions. You have to answer the questions by keeping the timer. These mistakes will make you take another drop. Sorry for being harsh, but truth is truth. So the very first mistake that most of the students actually do is starting in December. Yes. So many of the students start when there is just 6 months remaining for NEET exam, which won't actually make you crack NEET 2026 exam. So you need to start quite early. Actually, you were supposed to start at least when you were in 11th standard. That is, it needs around 2 years of preparation, like easy preparation for cracking NEET exam. But at least 1 year is needed for cracking NEET exam. So you need to start right now, right away itself. And the second mistake most of the students do is not revising early. We get a lot of queries from the students for our Yucky NEET 2026 batch, which we have started recently, that mom, why are you ending the syllabus quite late? Like, we want to end the syllabus 6 months prior the 3-4 months at least prior the NEET exam, which actually we are doing. But still, many of the students ask us to finish off the syllabus at least in Feb or something, which we are ending around March. So the problem is, you think that you are going to revise when there is just last 3-4 months remaining for NEET exam, and that is not really possible. You have to revise frequently. You have to revise from the beginning itself. So as in, when you're completing one chapter, imagine you have completed, let's say, one chapter, how do organisms, human reproduction. Now, after completing this chapter, you have to revise this chapter monthly at least. So revision should be done quite early, not at the end of the NEET exam, not when there is just 3 months remaining for the NEET exam. And the third mistake that many of the students actually do is using different study material. Of course, you have to use maybe one study material, which can be anything, like maybe Arihant publication books or maybe Truman's publication book. But one study material is sufficient. First of all, study material is not to just use it for only studying. It is actually for better understanding NCERT. So you have to use NCERT as a main book, definitely new NCERT, and for some chapter old NCERT. Along with that, you can have one study material, and this study material should be making you understand NCERT. And you shouldn't be completely dependent on those study material. It is just for your conceptual knowledge. But don't use multiple study materials. Only one study material, because multiple study material would be having too much outside of NCERT, or maybe it would be deviating you from NCERT. And the fourth mistake that many students do is not giving mock test from the beginning itself. So you know what is the meaning of mock test, right? Like, you are actually going to, write the test as if it is your NEET exam. So this mock test should be given in the beginning itself, in the early stage itself. So as in, when you're done with the 1 or 2 chapters, you have to give questions. You have to answer the questions by keeping the timer. And also, you should be thinking in your mind that there is negative marks. So you shouldn't be simply answering the questions even if you don't know the answer. So this is very important to create the mindset for your NEET 2026. So start giving mock test in the beginning stage itself, not at the end of your NEET exam preparation. And the last mistake is studying too much deeply. And this mistake is being done by many of the droppers. You think that you're already in MBBS. Of course, you will be going for MBBS college next year, but not right now, not at present. So you need not know something in too much deep. So you should be knowing when you need to stop. So of course, you should be studying a bit of outside of NCERT, but not too much outside of NCERT as well. And you should be knowing when you have to stop, and what is actually too much and what is also too less. So I hope this is clear. That is, I hope now it is clear for all of you, that is, which are the mistakes that you have to avoid during your NEET 2026 preparation. So I hope this video is helpful. Let's meet in the next class, next video. Until then, bye-bye.